Hello, welcome to the lesson on our Constitution, Guiding Principles. I am excited to have you here. Let's begin, shall we? Click the Begin lesson to start. In this lesson, we will learn Introduction to the Indian Constitution, Guiding Principles of the Constitution, Rights and Duties as an Indian citizen. Before we start this lesson, let's understand what you already know and what you want to learn about this topic. Drag and place the options in the appropriate box. What is a constitution? The guiding principles of our constitution, our rights and duties. Very good. Sharing what you know and what you want to learn will help you improve your own learning. John and Alpa are pursuing electrician course from KC Technical Institute of Patna. Let's see what they are up to. Hello John.
Hi Alpa.
All are excited about the celebration on January 26th.
Yes Alpa. Vinci helped me with the speech yesterday.
Hasina and Murugan are singing national songs. Can you guess what Alpa and John are talking about? Alpa and John are talking about the Republic Day celebration, which is celebrated on the 26th of January. Do you know why we celebrate Republic Day? The Indian Constitution was introduced on the 26th of January 1950. The Constitution of India is like a rule book. It consists of laws and rules made for every citizen. It tells us our rights and duties. Let us look at the preamble to our Constitution. A preamble is an introduction to a document. It explains the purpose of the document. The preamble to the Constitution is a short statement that explains the purpose and the guiding principles of the Constitution. Click on Preamble to know more. The preamble declares India is an independent nation. There is social and economic equality. All are equal and there is no discrimination based on caste or gender. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities to get jobs and earn livelihoods. Did you know all countries have a constitution? The Constitution of India is the longest in the world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairperson of the writing team. Let's revisit John and Alpa.
Do you know there are 5 guiding principles of our Constitution?
Is it? I don't know. Please tell me what they are.
Sure.
Click on John to know more.
The 5 guiding principles of our Constitution are sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic.
Now, click on each icon to learn more. India is a sovereign country. This means India can make its own decisions. Other countries do not affect these decisions. India is a socialist country. It means that all have equal access to resources and opportunities. irrespective of caste, religion, gender, and financial status. The resources include food, healthcare, a clean environment, and quality education. India is a secular country. This means that people from all religions are treated equally in our country. India is a democratic country. It means that everyone can express their opinions and make choices. Our country respects everyone's thoughts and beliefs. India is a republic country. It means that all citizens have the freedom to vote for a leader who will represent them. Based on what you learnt, answer the following questions. Click on the Begin button to answer the questions. Drag and place the correct option in the box. You are right. Choose the correct option. Which guiding principle means all citizens vote for a leader? You are right. As Indian citizens, we have some rights and duties. Let us understand each. Fundamental rights of an Indian citizen. These are the basic and important things that we are morally and legally allowed to do. Click on the image to know more. Right to equality. It includes equality before the law. There can be no discrimination on the basis of religion, language, age, caste, sex, gender, etc. Right to freedom. Every person has freedom to express their thoughts, assemble peacefully without arms, move freely, and live anywhere in the country, and practice any profession or business. Right against exploitation. It prohibits all forms of forced labor, child labor, and human trafficking. Right to freedom of religion. Every person is free to practice any religion of their choice. Cultural and educational rights. Every citizen has the right to education and conserve their cultural practices, language, etc. Right to constitutional remedies. Every citizen has the right to approach a court to protect their fundamental rights. Now let's learn about the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen. These are moral responsibilities of every Indian citizen towards the society, fellow citizens, and the nation. You should perform your duties to become a good citizen. For example, parking your vehicle in the space given to you and not anywhere you want to. Wearing a helmet while riding. Based on what you learned, answer the following questions. Click on the Begin button to answer the questions. Drag and drop the options in the correct box. You are right. Choose the correct option. Identify whether the following is a right or a duty. You are right. choose the correct option. Identify the following right. You are right. Now that we have completed the lesson, share what you have learned from this lesson. Choose the options from the menu. What I learned from this lesson. What is a constitution? The guiding principles of our constitution, our rights and duties. Thank you for sharing what you learned from this lesson. Here is a recap of what you learned in this lesson. The Indian Constitution is a set of laws and rules for our country. The 5 guiding principles of our Constitution are sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. As citizens of India, we have fundamental rights and duties. Now, let's assess ourselves to understand our own learning. Think of what you learned and choose if you feel like a seed, plant, or tree. Excellent work! Try to help others learn this concept. All the best! Congratulations on completing this lesson. See you in the next lesson.